Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm here returning back to Zeke's car wash laundromat here at Coatesville, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where a year ago, or in 2021, 2022 earlier of 2022 year, subscriber of mine named King Car Wash has filmed their Magic Wand Nexus, my all-time #1 favorite touch-free system, we just call that. And along with I found it last year where he thinks he did a horrible job, but from my opinion, he did. Unfortunately, some interesting Sundays to tell our subscribers. This year, I got an update on the Facebook, the car wash group, that this my all-time #1 favorite touch-free system, which is called Magic Wand Nexus, has been replaced with a brand new WashWorld Razor with an onboard dryer. I think that moves. I'm not sure. And it's actually called Living Water Car Wash. And that's it. So the old owner has sold it and retired. So this one. So they're still selling out, but I thought it was gonna be open. Apparently, some guys working on it, and they got new airlift doors. They took the old dryers out. Part of them. I was gonna get the Magic Wand Nexus system for my own, but earlier this spring this year. But unfortunately, I couldn't. So apparently they couldn't. So it just sucks. But it's okay. So I wish I could go over there and get some, check it out, and see what kind of watch menus they have. But unfortunately, I don't want to get in trouble. And I think they have surveillance cameras 24 hours. So it'll probably be open by the time I come back. Well, I'm gonna try and come back around 2023 of this year, maybe around end of October or so. Now, only besides that, yeah. So I think the dryers, I think they're off board. I think they move or they don't move. I'm not sure. But I just noticed the Magic Wand Nexus had to go scrap. They couldn't save it, or no, the owners who out trying to find parts of the Magic Wand Nexus could not get it. So yeah. So anyway, so I'm not gonna be going through it. It's closed, and I'm gonna be going through a smaller location. I'm gonna go through a lot of Jersey's car, and we have a problem. My mom's car got bent all because someone smashed into it. So, but it's okay, slow functions. So ways. My mom was probably like, fuck. I'm pissed myself. So, and they've installed the clock here. The only thing they have not set up yet, I'm not sure what's gonna happen when they're gonna do it, is their vacuums. As you can see, my mom's car is kind of clean, but we're still gonna go through. Not this one. It's close. If the Magic Wand Nexus was still there, I would have gone through it, but it's not. So anyway, so yeah, so Magic Wand Nexus replaced King Car Wash. But the great news is I found three more Magic Wand Nexus, a few more Magic Wand Nexus. They're hard to find because the company went out of business. So anyway, so I'm just getting some pictures of stuff like this while they're working, but I can't get the entrance because it's gone. I don't want to get caught. Anyway, so that being said, that's just an update on the Magic Wand Nexus. Coatesville WashWorld Razor, brand new with dryers. I think they move or not. I'm not sure. I think they do. They're not from Oasis though. They're from WashWorld or Sunny's or something. Yeah, I don't think they move. Anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna try to go check out the other side, but I'm not sure what the washes are. But they still have a Slack wash pay station though. So that being said, that's just an update. Thank you for watching, and that is all.